Submitting documents to Bank of America for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for account approval. This may include identification like a driver's license or passport, proof of address such as a utility bill, and any other documents specified by Bank of America. Step 2. Choose submission method. Decide how you want to submit your documents. Bank of America typically allows submissions through online uploads, fax, or mail. Check their website for specific options available for your account type. Step 3. Access the online portal. If you choose to submit online, log into your Bank of America account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the section for document submission, which is usually found under Account Services or Support. Step 4. Upload documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Ensure that all files are clear and legible, and that they meet any size or format requirements specified by the bank. Double check that you are uploading the correct documents. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, confirm that your documents have been successfully submitted. You should receive a confirmation message or email from Bank of America. Keep this confirmation for your records in case you need to follow up. Once you have completed these steps, you can wait for Bank of America to review your documents and approve your account. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for assistance.